Daddy? See! Yay! Okay, let's open it now. Okay.
Oh, funny day.
Yes. And then, wait. One second.
Wow, tractor.
Okay, we will not break the carton, okay? We should not break it. Let's open it now. Ayaw ako yung pag-isa.
Only Jedi.
Are you excited? So you like tractors? You love tractors? So okay first. Show first.
Jedi,
Hey, show
it to your
What are
viewers.
the parts of the tractors?
These are parts of the tractor.
So what are the parts of the tractor? Wow, do we need to put a battery? Let's see. So there are buttons. Look. There is the sound, I think. There's music. There's cows. And what's this? The key.
Battery, Daddy.
So let's check.
We need to remove this one, and
Ah.
I think it's under.
What does it say in the box? It doesn't say anything in the box. Let's find out if
But
we need to
there's
put
a light here.
Yeah, we need to put a battery, Jedi. Can we check if we need to put a battery first? Are you happy, Jedi?
Yeah.
Can you tell your viewers what are the parts of the tractors? What is this one? What's this?
This bucket.
What about this one?
Wheels.
What about this one?
Half.
Well
Oh.
done. This one.
Engine.
Well done. What about this one?
It's a hole.
Oh.
It's the
What else?
exhaust.
Escos.
Yes, well done. Okay,
else?
Jediel will play with it.
Tapos yan, gawa.
Oh, this is a horse.
It's the sound of the horse.